Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download Amazon product videos easily. So let's get into the video. First, go to Amazon, w.amazon.com, and open any product page that has a video. If you scroll through the product images, you'll find a video section. This is the video we want to download. To download the video, we'll need a video downloader extension for Chrome. Open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Extensions, and then click on Open Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Video Downloader Professional and press Enter. Click on the first result and then click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension, and once installed, now that we have the video downloader installed, let's go back to our Amazon product video. Play the video you want to download. Click on the Video Downloader Professional extension in your Chrome toolbar. The extension will detect the video and show a download option. Click Download, then confirm by clicking OK. The video will start downloading, and once completed, you can find it in your Downloads folder. And that's it! Now you can download any Amazon product video easily using this method. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.